In this video, we'll investigate the dangers of our phones, Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and 5G towers. First, we need to understand why our phones are so dangerous. The reason that our phones are dangerous is because they are radioactive. They produce a type of radiation called EMFs. EMF stands for electromagnetic field. These electromagnetic fields can cause all sorts of problems like cancer and even acute radiation syndrome, which is a rare disease caused by large amounts of radiation, like the amounts our phone emits. This is a spectrum of electromagnetic radiation. It shows the EMF radiation our phone emits, the deadly stuff, then safe stuff, found in the middle of the spectrum, and then more dangerous radiation to the right side of the spectrum. But before we continue learning about the dangers of such EMF radiation, we need to talk a little bit about what radiation is. Radiation is essentially any particle or a wave that is emitted from an atom or a machine, like our phones. The particle that flies off at very high speeds can be a problem. This particle can strike our DNA and erase part of it. This leads to cell death, otherwise known as cancer. This is what makes radiation so dangerous. But did you know that this type of radiation is called ionizing radiation, and it also only refers to radiation on the right side of the electromagnetic spectrum? Anything to the left of this vertical mark on the spectrum is non-ionizing radiation, meaning it does not carry enough energy to rip our DNA apart, so it cannot cause cancer. But does this mean our phones, Wi-Fi routers, and 5G towers aren't dangerous? Unfortunately, no. They are still dangerous because they can heat the water molecules in your body up. This is why microwaves are so dangerous. If the microwave can heat your food up, then can it heat you up? Yes, it can. This can be a problem when you talk on the phone. You are literally heating up the water in your brain. Well, let's take a step back for a second. If our phones are heating up the water in our brain, well, who said that was dangerous? Nobody. Did you know that if you stood in the sun for an equal amount of time you were on the phone, your brain's water would be heated up over 1,000 times more simply? The battery in your phone and the screen would heat you up much more than the radiation. So in conclusion, no amount of radiation from our phone could have any possible biological effects on us. Studies have shown that the rate of cancer is not any different on two groups of people. One group being huge phone users and the other group not using their phone much at all. Fearing EMFs has only done more harm to humanity than it will ever do good. So there you have it. It's been Rowrat Education here, and we very much hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to leave a like, smash the subscribe, hit the bell, and share the video with anyone who might like it. If you have any questions or suggestions, let us know in the comments down below, as we are very happy to respond. And as always, thanks for watching.